Hey everyone, okay, so it is 2019 and this is the favorite products of the year so far. We're going to kick off with foundation. Now, I love making these videos because they excite me, but also because I get to film a huge amount in one go, which really pleases me because I've had the most awful year and I'm going to speak about it at a later point because I just want to. So this video makes me happy because I get to film a lot of videos in one go. And I now get to have, if I can, a small break because I desperately need one because it truly has been the most horrific year. And without further ado, I'm going to talk to you about the best foundations of 2019. Okay, so first of all, we'll start with some different ones. This one is by Sian Richards and it is the 4K ultra long wear foundations. Now, these are more for makeup artists, but once these are on the skin, they don't come off. And I truly mean that. No nonsense, no bullshit. They do not come off. It takes a washcloth and an oil-based cleanser to get these off. They're incredible. Okay, MAQPRO, as I mentioned, wax-based foundation, really, really good. Don't confuse MAC as in with MAC. This is MAQPRO. They're beautiful. I love a wax foundation. The holy grail of all creams is, of course, RCMA. These come as singles or in palettes. The best cream foundation ever, truly ever. Now moving on to liquids. This one's a great foundation, but it's a weird foundation. And this is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless. It is a very full coverage foundation. And when you apply it with the Magic Cream, it looks amazing on the skin. And especially if you apply it with their illuminator, it's wonderful. But if you don't apply it with, if you apply it more with just like your average primer, it doesn't move that well, but when combined with her products, it looks exquisite and it's very full coverage, which some of you will love. Now, this is a really old one, but it's still amazing. This is Makeup Forever HD foundation. It's fantastic. It's absolutely fantastic. This is a great one, BECCA, and this is a lovely one. This is the Aqua one, and it is so nice. It's much more sheer on the skin, therefore I tend to favor it. A really good one I didn't pick up is the new liquid foundation by Anastasia Beverly Hills because it's up there. Of all of them, that is incredible. It's incredible. NARS, this is the Natural Radiant foundation. This is excellent. A little, and it really does, a little goes a very long way. NARS, the original Sheer Glow. I never understood the name Sheer Glow because it wasn't particularly sheer and it wasn't particularly glowy. So I didn't understand it. And then one day, because I'm obviously thick, I got it. It offers a sheer glow. Who knew? Amazing though. So I think every year I've done this, and since I've been on YouTube, I've talked about ELLIS FAAS foundation. It is an amazing liquid foundation, very expensive, but very, very good. MAC, this is the water weight foundation. I love it. It looks like skin. It's beautiful, beautiful on the skin, and it's just wonderful. Holy grail time, this is Estee Lauder Double Wear. There's a reason this is the fastest selling foundation because it is truly extraordinary. And I've got one more foundation to show you. Now, MAC came out with MAC Face and Body Foundation many, many, many years ago, probably 20 years ago plus. And they did something quite extraordinary at the time, which was create a foundation that looked like skin. And back then, quite hard to do. It is still amazing. Now, MAC did something ridiculous, which is they shrank the bottle and gave you 30 mils of product for about £3 less than it would be for 120 mils. Ridiculous. I mean, how about shrinking the price by a third? Just a thought. But they didn't, and therefore I would never buy the small one. But it's amazing. It looks like skin, and it is incredible. Anastasia Beverly Hills one probably running the first of the lot, but this would be a second runner. And also, even though not technically a foundation, is Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer, the new updated one is even better. And that was saying something because the original was great too. And that is the best foundations of 2019. All the information down there. I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.